Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you're watching D365 Notes. Today, the agenda of this video is to cover about there is one feature available in D365 which is post and transfer. So how this feature works in D365, we will be covering that in this video. So let me give you the scenario overview, what we will be going to do in the system. So that is sometimes when you have, for example, when you are creating a journal, and in that you have around 500 lines, 1000 lines, or sometimes 100 lines. In that case, sometimes you have error available in the one of the line or either multiple lines. So in that case, system will stop you to post the whole journal itself. But there is one feature available in system where you can post the lines which are good to go and there is no error in that lines, and remaining lines will be transferred to the new journal. How to use that feature? We will be discussing in this video. So let's get started. So this is my journal form page, and here I will click on new button, okay, and create a new journal. Let's take this journal, go to lines, and now let me select one account, rent account dr. Okay, let's take a multi-line entry to cover this scenario. Let's take 10,000 debit, and let me create one more line where it will be credited to bank account 10,000. So this line is the correct line which is not having any kind of error. Now let me add one more line where I will be taking employee account, employee benefit payable. So let's take same 10,000. Okay, now let's take one bank account. So let's take this similar bank account, and I will in credit I will mention 9,000. Now in this case, I also know that this will give me error while posting. But if it is we are having 10,000 sorry 100 line or 500 line, in that case it will be very difficult to find out which line has issue. You can find out, but sometime you are just doing and you are just posting and you are not thinking about that fix error. We will fix these error in another journal. So in that case, you will do you will not validate and stimulate the posting. You will get an error that accounting does not balance as per the date. Okay, the transaction voucher 0628 do not balance as per the accounting currency. Okay, now let me close this, and if you try to post as well, let me post this, it will give me an error. Okay, now the error will be same error system will throw. Now let's close this error. Here in the system itself, there is one button under the function post and transfer, and the same button is available if you go to grid page on the post. If you click on post, the drop down will show this post and transfer. Here if you see this journal number, it is 0069 and only 3 journals are available. If I try to post and transfer, let's see what happens. So let me click on post and transfer. So system will validate the posting, and whatever journal lines are okay to post, system will post only those lines. So the same 0628 voucher is having issue. Okay, now system has given two notifications, that one is number of voucher posted 1, voucher transferred to journal 00642 due to error. So it will give this kind of error. So let me close this and refresh. Now that journal 0619 is posted and it is transferred to new journal. Let me open this journal. Before that, I will show you the log. It is the same log which is system was throwing. So from history tab, you can check the log. So let me go to the lines, and this is the same account which we have assigned, employee benefit and bank account. So let me mention the 10,000 here. As a user, I get that there is problem with this amount. I can save and post this journal. There is no problem in that. So this is how you can use this post and transfer feature. It is very useful feature. If you have any doubt or query, please let me know in the comment. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.